NSE seems to be inching closer to settle its long drawn cases of co location and dark fiber with the SEBI by offering to pay a total of 1,388 crore rupees. If accepted, this will be the highest amount offered by any entity to settle a case with SEBI till date. The unlisted shares of NSE have also come back into focus, trading at around 2,400 levels in the unregulated market. But in case these cases are settled, this could clear the path for NSE to launch its IPO, which has been a long drawn anticipated one. Remember, the first time NSE had filed its draft papers for IPO with the SEBI was in the year 2016, aiming to sell about a 22% stake for 10,000 crores. But since that, a lot of issues had prevented the IPO from sailing too. There were two main issues that had been, in focus right now. One was the expiry issue, and that has been recently settled with the SEBI, allowing NSE to keep Tuesdays at its expiry. The second one was this legal settlement. If this goes through, NSE IPO could be coming soon.